Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your Facebook. So if Facebook not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if it still has this error, so you can also just try to remove your Facebook app and just tap on it and just tap on remove button and just submit removing Facebook. So after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write here Facebook, and just download from App Store again. Just tap, you will see here not update but get button, just tap on it. Also you can check your network, so just go to the settings, just tap on your Wi-Fi, just check your Wi-Fi or cellular data if you use cellular data. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.